What if I told you someone can steal your calm, and you'd thank them for it? They flatter. They appear perfect. They make you the center of their world until you're the one orbiting theirs. You lose time. Your friends thin out. Joy feels expensive. And you keep wondering why you feel hollow. Not every pull is love. Not every closeness is care. Pause for 48 hours before any life-changing step. Watch how they behave when you step back. Protect your calendar as if it were your heart. Awareness is your shield. Boundaries are your power. If you want the next short, real signs, real lines to draw, subscribe to Mind-Heart Balance. Learn to feel safe again.